thinking, Johnny? Pretty cool?
Yeah, this is good for me.
Morning, everyone, from Ouray, whatever Ray, Colorado. Today we're here getting ready to do a Via Ferrata. It's actually a public Via Ferrata. It's free for everyone to use. You just got to make sure you have the right equipment, which we do. So we're right here. Check the parking lot. Once you get here, you can see where everybody else is parked. What we'll do is we're gonna take a little stroll down this road. We'll show you how to get into the course, and of course, a lot of video once we get in. Let's do it. Parking lot. We're about to head up here, start walking. So, if you're following these yellow Ouray Via Ferrata signs, you don't go up to the cabin up here. We're actually going to head up the road a little bit. There'll be an entrance that's going to take us up and around to the actual starting point. So here we are. We just turned off the main gravel road up here off of the turnoff. Now we just have a little hike to the start of the course.
Brian, you're gonna lead us off.
All right, so we just hopped in here to the Via Ferrata. See, John's coming down. Kyle working his way. From here, we'll be heading over that way, crossing our first bridge. Here we are, Ouray Via Ferrata. Check it out.
Pretty cool?
Yeah, this is good for me.
Trying to get myself in a shot here. The cable isn't very long, but you can see it's starting to gain. Just enjoying a little shade here. Actually got a little warm out here on us, but I think we're about halfway, maybe a little farther than halfway. So far so good. Such a fun course. This is just, I mean, you can't believe you can come out here if you have your own gear, just come out here and do this. So definitely worth deciding to stop your trip here in Colorado. Awesome. Ouray. So here we are. We're I'd say we're probably about 3/4 the way done, if not a little farther. See John coming up right now, or coming down, I should say. Found myself a nice little rest spot, so thought I'd enjoy it for a second. Lucked out on weather and beautiful. Not too hot, not too cold. Breeze feels amazing. All right, here we are at the end of the course. Final kind of main event is the giant ladder here. It's gonna take us under that bridge and we'll be getting out. Obviously we're gonna show you a little more, but we're getting close. It's been a great day here. Beautiful, it's like the mountains overlooking. Just, I mean, if you get a chance, you're in this area, might as well come and do this. Great for all levels. And yeah, about to finish this up, then get some food. Okay, V5, get pumped. Yeah, I'm down for that. So since the last time we've been here, apparently they've added a new sky climb. And, well, not one to miss an adventure. I think we're gonna add it to our route today. So let's go check out the sky climb. Jackhammering a little bit up here. It's high. Let's keep going. All right, top of the sky route. Looks like I have a nice little down climb right here to connect. Oh, that was hard. That was cool. It was fun. It's a lot of things, but man, I'm ready to eat. That was intense. So here we are at the end of the Via Ferrata here. I want to show you something. So the standard route here is this bridge, which is a lot of fun here. And you see people working their way down to it. With the advanced route, you should be able to see Kyle up here. I'm horrible at pointing to the camera, but it's going to take you straight up that vertical rock wall there, all the way up, and then all the way back down here. So if you're actually thinking about doing that when you get to the split, that's your choice. Take the bridge or take the sky wall. So a lot of fun. The new sky wall is awesome. Wasn't here last time we were here, so great addition. And Kyle is crushing it. Keep it moving. All right, so you can see the main bridge behind me. We're about to go under and out of the course. But yeah, awesome. You get a chance. They've done a lot since we were last here. They've added a whole separate upstream course. They've added a giant sky bridge thing. They've just, man, they've done a lot of work here, and it's amazing you can just come out here and get to do this. So sure you add it to your list, buy your own gear. I'll add links, and yeah, rock on and climb on. Great job, guys.
Awesome.
Ouray Via Ferrata. Knocked it out.
You survived.
Well, we just got done doing the Ouray Via Ferrata. We had a great time. This was John's first time out in a Via Ferrata. He had a great time. He made a great point. This is one of those things that almost anybody can do. You can't just get off the couch. I mean, most people actually probably could get off the couch as long as you can hold yourself just a little bit. But, you know, it does take a little bit and you will get a little tired. There are a couple bailout points, though, if you need to use them. But otherwise, this is a great starter Ferrata and actually one of the more fun ones that we've done out of the many we have so far. So it's a great time. If you have a chance and you're up in this area, make sure you come check out the Ouray Via Ferrata here at the ice park. And yeah, had a great time, and we're about to hit the next one.